Welcome to the class. Myself Ashwini, lecturer in statistics. Today's topic is about interpolation and extrapolation, that is chapter 4, and in that to calculate interpolation and extrapolation we have two methods. One is binomial expansion method. Already I have studied that method in first PUC with one missing value. In first year you have studied only with one missing value, but for second year you have to calculate two missing values, and one more method is Newton's for advanced forward method. And today we are going to solve the problems on binomial expansion method with two missing values. In last class I told that for binomial expansion method we need a Pascal triangle. I will just recall this Pascal triangle for different n values. Here it is n value. If n is equal to 1, this is 1 and 1. If n equals 2, it is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, again 1. If n is 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. n equals 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. If n equals 5, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. If n equals 6, again this 1 plus 5 is 6. This is 15, 20, 15, 6 and again 1. If n equals 7, it is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. This is 21, 35. Again this is also 35, it's 21, 7 and 1. For different n values, these are the coefficients. Okay, I'll just recall that Pascal triangle. You have to follow this Pascal triangle for unknown constants. See, this is the problem. Here they have given the year from 1995 to 2005 and the gap between the years are 2 years. It is constant in all the years because the assumptions of interpolation extrapolation says that we should have the gap should be in the equal years. So here the gaps are equal, that is 2 years, and they have given the production. In this production 2001 value is missing and 2005 value is missing. First I will denote this by y values, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and the y5. See, in this production already we know 1, 2, 3, 4 values. Here we know the 4 values and we have to calculate another 2 values. So the known values are 4. So our constant will become y minus 1 to the power 4. It should be equal to 0. The known numbers, that here we are having only 4 known values. So our fourth order difference should be equated to 0. That is our delta 4 equal to 0. That is our n value is 4. Here delta 4 is 0 means here the n value is 4. Since the n value is 4, we have to take this coefficients. Simply I will write the coefficients first, that is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 should be equal to 0. And this coefficient should be given to, it should be with the y values. So that I will write this in a reverse order, that is from y4 I will write, this is y4. First it should be plus and this is y3, y2, y1 and y0, and the signs for this coefficient should be alternative. First is plus, minus, plus, minus and plus. So this is the formula or equation to solve your y3 value first. Okay, so I will substitute the values, known values in this equation. Y4 value already we know that it is 130, minus 4 into y3 we don't know, I will take as it is, plus 6 into y2 is 70, minus 4 into y1 is 40, plus y0 is 20, should be equated to 0. After simplifying this, we will get the equation, that is 130, 4y3 plus 420 minus 160 plus 20 equated to 0. It is, after the simplification, it is minus 4y3 plus 410 is equal to 0. I'll shift this plus 410 to this side. So minus 4y3 is equal to minus 4y10. Sorry, 410. This minus will get cancels. So y3 is 410 by 4. So our y3 value is 102.5. 102.5. After simplifying these values, you will get the y3 value as 102.5. And next, and one more we have to find, that is our y5. For this, we have to change the suffix of this equation. Simply we will change the suffix, that is y4 is there, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 are the suffix. So that suffix we are going to raise to 1, only we will raise that to 1, that is here it is y4, this will become y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1 is equal to 0. Now we will substitute the values of y. We don't know the y5, I will write it as it is. 4 into y4 is 130, and we know the we have already calculated the value of y3. y3 is 102.5, substitute that. 102.5 minus 4, y2 is 70 and y1 is 40 is equal to 0. And again after simplification, our y5 minus 520 plus 615 minus 280 plus 40 is equal to 0. So our y5 value is 145. After simplification of this equation, you will get the missing values y5, that is 145. Next problem, same, the problem is same, that is we have to find the missing values for 1995 and 1999 by binomial expansion method, and year and the index. Again see the values, and the years are in same gap, that is 1 year. They have given the index, so I will denote this by y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Here we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry. The last value they have not mentioned, 270, 250. Here this is y5 and the y6. Here the known values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only we are having 5 known values. So our fifth order difference should be equated to 0. That is y minus 1 power 5 should be equal to 0, or delta power 5 should be equal to 0. Since here n is equal to 5, we have the, using that Pascal triangle, we have the coefficients as 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 should be equated to 0, and here it should be in a reverse order. So it is y5, y4, y3, y2, y1 and y0. Signs are like this: plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Now you substitute the values. Y5 is 250, minus 5 y4 is 278, plus 10 y3 280, minus 10 we don't know the y2 value, plus 5 y1 is y1 is 300 and minus y0 is 320 equated to 0. After simplifying this, we have to find the value for y2. Minus 10 y2, this is minus 10 y2 is equal to minus 2840. So our y2 is minus 2840 divided by minus 10. So y2 is equal to 284. Similarly, the next step is to find the value of y6. Here again we will change the suffix of this equation, that is y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 plus 5y2 minus y1 is equal to 0. So y6 minus 5, y5 is 250 plus 10 into y4 is 278 minus 10 into y3 is 280 plus 5 into y2 we have calculated, it is 284 minus y1 is 300 should be equated to 0, and our y6 is equal to, after simplification, our y6 value is equal to 150. After simplification, y6 value is 150. Next one. Interpolate and extrapolate the missing values. See, we know that x is always an independent variable, y is always a dependent variable. So, here these are the y values and I will denote this as y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and the y5. Here the known values are 1, 2, 3, 4 values, so that our y minus 1 to the power 4 equals 0 or delta power 4 equals 0. Our fourth order difference should be equal to 0 and the constants are 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 is equal to 0. It is y4, y3, y2, y1 and y0 plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now you substitute the values, that is 15 minus 4 into 13 plus 6 y2 minus 4 y1 is 8 plus 5 is equal to 0. After simplification, 6 y2 is equal to 64 and our y2 is 64 divided by 6. So our y2 value is 10.67. And next you have to change the suffix of this equation, that is y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1 is equal to 0, and this is y5 we don't know, I will take as it is 4 into 15, 6 into 13 minus 4 into 10.67 plus 8 is equal to 0. So our y5 value is 16.67. You will get this y5 value after simplification, it is 16.67. See, in the examination, if you get the first missing value correct, then only your second missing value will be correct. In examination, in this chapter, you are having only two methods, that is binomial expansion and Newton's method. out of these two questions, one question is always compulsory from this chapter. Thank you.